Hi, Robbie.
Hi, Mommy.
What are you holding?
McDonald's Happy Meal toys.
What toy is it?
Pirates.
There, the Angry Birds pigs. Okay?
I want to I brought this from McDonald's. I
Yeah.
brought two.
You like it?
Minions.
The Minions.
It says ba banana.
Are you going to? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Get set, go.
Oh, one minion down. Another one down.
Robbie, play TV.
We have here.
Ba banana.
These are the minions.
Hey, they don't look like the same.
Yeah, they look like the same. They're pirates.
No, this one doesn't look like the same because it's not a minion.
Yeah, it's not a minion. It's a pig. Look, let me see. You are a pig. You are
Banana.
a pig. Put the pig back. Okay.
Banana. Banana.
Okay. Put it back. Come on.
What's his name? Bob. His name is Bob. Where's one minion? Where's the mom?
Yeah. Go. Ready? Go! One more! Let's put the pig back. Okay. Go! Oh, 3! Yay!
Yeah. Banana.
Uh-oh. Put it back.
Hey, what's he's covering his belly?
He's touching his belly.
A banana. Belly.
You got, what have you got there?
Trains.
What are they? Who are they, Rob? Do you know their names?
Yeah.
Okay.
James,
Mm-hmm.
Scruff, Thomas, Percy.
Percy, what are you going to do with them?
Go.
Go? Where are they going? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh! Uh-oh! It knocked the other one over.
Why he died?
Oh!
Why he died? What's that?
Oh!
Oh, they love together.
Yeah.
40 times.
Yes. Okay. Ready? Go! Percy first, and then Scrap, and then... Oh, no. You just knock one. Look! Uh-oh, no battery. Uh-oh, uh-oh.
Oh, stronger.
Who's stronger? What's wrong with them? Uh-oh.
Push.
No, you can't push.
Percy.
That's Percy. And this one? The red one. What's his name?
James.
James. And that one?
Scruff.
Scrap. And then last?
Thomas.
That's Thomas. Why?
Because I want to.
Let's see if it moves. Oh, no!
I'm strong.
You can push. Too strong. Let's see. Percy versus what's his name?
James.
James. Ready, set, go. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Let them.
I'm stronger.
Who's strong, Percy or Scrap? Go. 1, 2, ready, go.
I'm stronger. You're moving.
Yeah. Thomas versus Percy. Ready, set, go. Not yet, not yet.
Yay, I'm the winner.
No, not yet. They're not moving.
I'm stronger.
No. Oh, don't touch it. This should be the line, okay?
Whoever wins the sum, I'm the finish line.
Okay, come over here. Okay, Thomas versus go. Next, last one, James versus Percy. Ready, set, go.
On your mark, get set, go.
Go. They're both strong. See? They're not moving. So mark it, set, go. Let's see.
They're moving.
Scrap one. See? Bye-bye now.
Bye-bye. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.